Welcome back to our channel, where we share everything about health and wellness. In today's video, we're going to talk about high-calorie foods. Many people struggle to gain weight, whether it's because they're athletes looking to build muscle or recovering from an illness. Fortunately, there are plenty of high-calorie foods that can help you achieve your goals. In this video, we'll explore some of the best high-calorie foods to help you gain weight and fuel your body. Nuts and nut butters. Nuts and nut butters are an excellent source of healthy fats and protein. Just 1 ounce of almonds contains around 160 calories, while 2 tablespoons of peanut butter contain about 190 calories. Other high-calorie nuts and nut butters include cashews, walnuts, and almond butter. You can add them to your breakfast oatmeal, smoothies, or snacks for an extra boost of calories. Avocado. Avocado is a superfood packed with healthy fats and fiber. 1 medium-sized avocado contains about 250 calories, making it an excellent option for those looking to increase their calorie intake. You can add avocado to your salads, sandwiches, or even make a delicious avocado toast. Full-fat dairy. Dairy products like whole milk, cheese, and yogurt are high in calories and protein. 1 cup of whole milk contains around 150 calories, while a single slice of cheddar cheese contains about 115 calories. Full-fat yogurt can contain up to 150 calories per serving. You can add dairy products to your smoothies or enjoy them as a snack. Meat. Meat is an excellent source of protein, iron, and other essential nutrients. Beef, pork, and lamb are high in calories, with a 3.5-ounce serving of cooked beef containing around 250 calories. Chicken and turkey are also excellent options, with a 3.5-ounce serving of cooked chicken breast containing around 165 calories. Grains. Grains like rice, pasta, and bread are high in calories and carbohydrates, making them a great option for those looking to gain weight. 1 cup of cooked rice contains around 200 calories, while a slice of bread can contain up to 100 calories. You can enjoy them as a side dish or add them to your meals for an extra calorie boost. Dried fruits. Dried fruits like dates, raisins, and prunes are high in calories and nutrients. 1 cup of raisins contains around 500 calories, while 1 cup of dates contains around 415 calories. You can add them to your oatmeal, yogurt, or eat them as a snack. Oils and fats. Oils and fats like olive oil, coconut oil, and butter are high in calories and healthy fats. 1 tablespoon of olive oil contains around 120 calories, while 1 tablespoon of coconut oil contains around 120 calories. You can add them to your meals or use them for cooking and baking. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is high in calories and antioxidants. 1 ounce of dark chocolate contains around 170 calories, making it an excellent option for those looking to gain weight. You can enjoy it as a snack or add it to your smoothies for an extra boost of calories and flavor. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are plenty of high-calorie foods that can help you gain weight and fuel your body. Nuts and nut butters, avocado, full-fat dairy, meat, grains, dried fruits, oils and fats, and dark chocolate are all excellent options. Remember to incorporate these foods into a balanced diet and lifestyle to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs.
Thanks for tuning in, and happy eating!